Hello everyone, this video will show you how to fix YouTube app stuck on smart TV. I got a smart TV but a little bit old and it actually stuck the YouTube app on the screen like this, and sometimes it stuck the thumbnail but I can't click on that. But today it's still running the YouTube logo on the screen. So if you experience like me, either this screen or the thumbnail screen, so here is how to fix. The first method, you just unplug the TV from the power source and leave it about 1 minute, and you just replug it in again to make sure it firmly, and you go back to your TV, just turn on the TV and you go to the YouTube app to make sure that it works. But if it doesn't work, you go into the second method. So let's see how this happen. Oh, for my TV right now it's already fixed. It just unplugged the TV from the power source. Okay, so in case your TV is not work, but you can go into the menu. So you go into reset the YouTube app. So all history data and card will be reset, and your TV will be clear all cards, and it will be restart again without any issue. So most TV will be work with this method. But in case your TV is still not so I have a third method. So you could go into the TV setting. By this way I show you the Sony previous TV. So you go into the setup in the menus and you go into the network setup. Oh sorry, it's not network setup. This one is not clear, so I'm show you. Okay, let's see. Previous scene system. So you're looking for the, oh I think I'm going wrong, it's not this one. Okay, we're going back. So customer support. So customer support, and you will see software update, automatic software download, history, factory setting. So what we're looking for is the factory setting, and just click on that. Not click, you use the remote control to tap on that and tap on Jeff. So the YouTube, no it's not YouTube, your TV will be reset to the factory setting like your new TV just bought from the market. So for my TV, I don't click on yes because I don't want to reset and I don't want to set up everything again, such as the TV channel or anything that I have already set on my TV, so I don't want to reset. But in case your TV you can't fix the YouTube app, so you have to do this step. But this step is not convenient for you. You have to rearrange everything on your TV like you just buy from the market. So this is all for my tutorial today, how to fix YouTube app stuck on smart TV. And I hope you will happy with my tutorial and like, subscribe for my new tutorial. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again for next video.